Hi everyone, how's it going? Have you ever craved for a snack that is savory, crunchy, and out of this world delicious? Well, look no further, I have exactly that for you. Today I want to show you how to make Myanmar Ginger Thoke. Gin means ginger and Thoke means mix. It's a snack that includes assorted nuts, ginger, tomatoes, cabbage, and some additional items to make it savory. I have 2 cups of young ginger, which is thinly sliced into matchsticks. What we need to do is pickle the ginger. I have here 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 4 teaspoons of sugar. What I did is put a little bit of hot water into the salt and sugar, stir it real quick so that it dissolves. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of vinegar. Put the ginger into the solution. Instead of doing the pickled ginger, if you're going to eat the ginger mix immediately, you can just use lime or lemon and squeeze it into the ginger. But how I like it is a little bit of pickled ginger like this because it takes the sharp bite out of the ginger. Let this soak overnight and you can use it the next day. So I'm going to cover this and put this in the fridge. I have 2 big spoons of pickled ginger. To this mixture, I'm going to add all the assorted nuts. I have 1/4 cup of cashews, 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of peanuts. It's roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. What you want to get is unsalted nut mix or unsalted nuts because the ginger already has some salt in it, so you don't want it to be overly salty. Into this mixture, I'm going to also add some dried shrimp powder. I have about 2 teaspoons of dried shrimp powder. This makes it very savory and flavorful, but this is optional. You don't need to add it if you don't want to. I also have here 2 teaspoons of roasted chickpea powder. This is used for 2 reasons. One, to take the sharp bite out of the ginger and mellow it, and then also as a binding agent. Again, this is optional. In a traditional Myanmar household, they have this readily at home, but if you don't have it, you don't need to use it. But this also makes it savory. So in that goes. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients all up. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I have cabbage, which is finely shredded. Not a lot, just a little bit to give an extra crunch plus refreshing flavor. I also have here thinly sliced cherry tomatoes. Again, I'm going to add a little bit. The cherry tomatoes gives it a refreshing taste. So I would mix it all together gently. And if you like spicy, you can also thinly slice some green chilies, and then put that in as well. Now, this can be a snack, an afternoon pick-me-up, or if you want to make it a meal, you can serve this over a bowl of steaming white rice. In Myanmar, you can get this as a ready-made packet with the pickled ginger and then the nut mix. You can buy that anywhere in supermarkets in Myanmar. The nut mix that is used in Myanmar is a little bit different. It has chickpeas, it has sesame seeds, it has peanuts, it has fried butter beans. Since I can't get them here in the US, I purchase what I can get at the supermarket, and it tastes equally delicious. You can add your favorite nuts to this ginger mix. Let's give it a taste. It is absolutely delicious. It is refreshing, it is crunchy, it is savory, and you know what? This is a perfect afternoon pick-me-up snack. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.